This is our 2020 Gemini 37 Freestyle, a very unique boat design that enables friends and family to get out on the water in a style similar to an open picnic boat. It has an open layout deck with 2 teak sofas, a forward head in one hole and cabin in the other, and is perfect for day sailing or sunset cruises. Features include some performance upgrades such as twin 15 horsepower Yanmar inboard diesels and carbon fiber sails. Features at the stern include a stainless steel telescoping swim ladder to port and transom showers on both sides. To get aboard, you go through the swinging stainless steel gates with plexiglass inserts and enter the spacious bridge deck. The helm station is aft and features Raymarine TriDate combo and a Simrad Chartplotter, as well as an Autopilot. There's a Sony stereo with steering station speakers as well as integrated speakers in the hardtop. The stainless steel cockpit hammock seat is a comfortable place to relax, and there's a large toolbox just below. The deck is wide open with great views, safe non-skid texture, and currently features 2 teak sofas to port and starboard. These sofas are not built in, so they can be easily moved or even removed, so you can set it up just how you like it. The sailboat also has the optional full-size hardtop canopy with stainless steel supports and glass sunroof, and the hardtop includes integrated lights and speakers. The foredeck features a stainless steel bow pulpit with benches attached. Other features here include an anchor roller, an anchor well with space for rode and chain. Sails and rigging wise, she has carbon fiber all around, with a square top full Batten carbon fiber mainsail, Batten carbon fiber jib with sun cover, carbon fiber Screecher and Code Zero roller furling, as well as new quantum sails stack pack system. There are other upgrades that are detailed in the listing. There's a pleasantly finished head and a full berth below. The cabin features a queen-sized foam mattress with 2 opening deck hatches and a hanging locker and shelf storage. The head has a sink with vanity and mirror, Korean countertop, quiet flush electric toilet, and a shower. The twin engines are in 2 hatches under the deck, and she is powered by twin 15 horsepower Yanmar inboard diesels with Max Pro feathering props. In a world where flexibility is key, the Freestyle 37 provides the ability to tailor your sailboat however you see fit. Gemini has designed a boat that enables family and friends to get out on the water and spend quality time together. The full specs and asking price are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more boat tours. For more listings, visit our website.